Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. Let's learn today how to select several faces. After opening Blender, we delete the cube by clicking on Delete. Then we click on Shift plus A and then on Mesh and finally on UV Sphere to get a sphere. After that, we will give a value of 16 for the number of segments and 8 for the number of rings. Now we will zoom our sphere by clicking on plus of numpad. Next, we go to Edit mode. Then we click on Face Selection mode and then we select a face. Now we will click on Shift plus left mouse button on another face. We notice that Shift plus left mouse button selects one face after the other, one by one. If now we select a face and click this time Ctrl plus left mouse button another face a little farther, we notice that it will select all the faces that are between the two selected faces. If now we select a face and then we click again next to the edges of the same face by clicking Alt plus left mouse button, we notice that it will select all the faces vertically. If now we click another edge of this same face by clicking on Alt plus the left mouse button, for example the one on the right, we notice that it will select all the faces horizontally. You can also test the other two remaining edges. To finish, if now we select a face and we click on plus of the numpad, so it will select all the faces that are around this face. And if we click on minus of the numpad, then it will deselect them. This is a simple example on how to select several faces. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time.